my car because every video must have a car clip, okay? It's just what it is. I am on my way to go on a hike with my friend, and I get to meet her boyfriend. I am so excited. It's going to be such a good day. It's 65 degrees here. I think it's supposed to be like 55 to 60 degrees where we're going. We're doing the Franconia Falls Trail, so we can see a waterfall, and it's like a little bit of a hike, I think. So that'll be a lot of fun. Hello again. I am just checking in. I am half an hour away from my destination. If you know me, you know the New Hampshire White Mountains are my favorite place on this planet. I don't know, it's just every time I'm in this area, every time I'm even just driving on the Kankamangas, anytime I'm hiking on these mountains, it's like I cannot enjoy it enough. I just like am constantly smiling. I just really love it. I'm just gonna continue driving, jam out to a bit of music, and yeah, see you soon. Had to document the iconic hairpin curve. Anyway, so I obviously didn't vlog while we were hiking because I would have shown it, but it was just really nice to catch up with Erin and meet her boyfriend for the first time, and it was just like, I don't know, really refreshing just to like hang out and chat. We haven't really caught up in like a year or so, I don't think. Like, we've seen each other a little bit, but we definitely haven't like had a full conversation and just like, I don't know, just talked for a long time. So it was really nice to just hang out and do that. So I didn't whip out the camera, so I will show you guys more of my Kankamangas Highway drive, and I am just like still all smiles. This is my favorite place on earth. I love it. So then, on top of that, having a really great day with my girlfriend, it's just feels good. Figured I would check out if you liked this, like basically drive along with me. I like it. I definitely do love this area. I'll insert the picture from my hike right here. I enjoy that. That is what, that's all you get from my hike with my girlfriend, because that is the only documentation I had today, just because, like I said before, I just wanted to spend some quality time with her and just catch up. So I'm just gonna drive home, have a good night at home, and we'll see you again in another video. Good morning again from my car, as always. I don't know if this is going to be its own vlog or added on to my clips from yesterday, but I am hiking again today. This time I'm going with my best friend Amber. We're hiking a random mountain in New Hampshire. It's not in the White Mountains like I was in yesterday, but it'll still be a really good hike. So I'm driving there now, and I just wanted to pop in and say good morning. It is currently 8:34. I am expected to be at the park site for the mountain at 9:20. So I will be there soon. But in the meantime, enjoy my drive, and I'll see you later. Alright. You just watched me stretch out, make sure I'm ready for this hike. I'm gonna wait for my girlfriend and we're gonna go. Made it to the top.
Yeah, GoPro.
GoPro.
You're doing this one next time.
This is the top.
There's also like a really nice view over there.
Oh yeah, we'll have to go back over there when the other people leave.
Yeah.
So, we made it. Made it. Cool. Maybe. Kinda good, kinda not. We can see it fine. There's been like 3 good views, so we like that. Oh yeah, they're growing.
Little blooms.
Soon enough, we'll be able to go picking.
We'd have to bring like 4 containers.
More than that.
Look at them, they're all turning colors too. This way.
Yes, that way. That is it.
Piece.
Precipice. That's the one. What? There's something scurrying in there. Oh. Can we see him? You just eating a dried leaf. Oh my goodness.
Baby.
He's hanging.
Alright, have fun.
See you later, porcupine.
Dude, all I do is find nature like that.
We made it to the bottom. How long was it?
How long? 4.4.
4.4. What time is it? Like a couple of hours? Yeah, 2 hours. So,
Maybe 2 hours?
yeah, it's pretty good. It was really quick to get up and then a little slow on the way down.
Yeah.
But it was a lot of fun. Yeah, got a little bit lost, but we made it. We're good. We're all sweaty. I'm like, can feel myself being sweaty. Thanks for watching. If you liked it, like it. Comment a mountain in New Hampshire we should hike. And subscribe if you want to see more useless videos of me and my life. Bye.
Bye.